Protesters have gathered so many times outside the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals in New Orleans that it can be difficult to remember which part of SB4 they're fighting now.
We drove like 20 hours from El Paso to get to New Orleans just to be here today.
And today, the argument about where the court fight goes next.
First case on our docket this morning is 24-50149, United States of America versus State of Texas.
In federal court, only an audio feed is allowed, no cameras, as Texas and the Justice Department ask again for the Fifth Circuit to decide whether Texas can start enforcing its own immigration law, as Governor Abbott says an immigration flood continues, or if, as the White House says, it is unconstitutional because it interferes with federal immigration law.
Texas has looked at the Supreme Court precedent and the laws that Congress has enacted and has tried to develop a law that goes up to the edge but no further. Now, to be fair, maybe Texas went too far, and that's the question this court's going to have to decide.
And while waiting for that latest decision, SB4 remains on hold. Texas authorities cannot act like federal immigration agents. The protesters today want it to stay that way.
That SB4 is clearly illegal and unconstitutional. It is not the role of the state of Texas or any state to enforce federal immigration laws.
That's the decision that protesters and the state of Texas wait for now. In Dallas, I'm Kevin Reese.